The date is the 12th of April 2025. Today is the date that Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate the memorial, and the time now is actually 9:11 which is the Twin Towers when they went down, and Watchtower's going down this year in August. I'll take them down. And well, 9/11 backwards is 119, and the 119th day of the year is April the 29th, which is my birthday in a few days' time. Well, yeah. So I've just come outside. As I say, the Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate the memorial today, and the supernatural clouds in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. Look at that. Which is Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem, and 2.9 miles away is actually a hamlet without a church called Jerusalem, and it's the only place in the UK called Jerusalem. What's the chance of that? Look at these supernatural clouds over Birchwood Kingdom Hall. That house there is in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall exactly, and it's the angle azimuth is 257. I think that's degrees, but they call it azimuth. But look at these supernatural clouds, everyone. Oh, wait till you see this. Look at this. What is this about? Oh, they're strange, look. They're not right. They're very supernatural. Look, wispy over there, and then the lines go straight over Kingdom Hall, right over there. And if you look behind it, look in the north, there's no clouds at all there. Look, and it's clear across there, and it's clear across there and up there. So then suddenly you pan round, that's the north, that's the east over there, and then you pan round and it starts with this. Strange supernatural clouds. They're ridiculous. On the date of the memorial, and they'll be celebrating that at the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. Yeah, they're the strangest things I've seen, those ones. It's funny, I just took the video, I looked at the clock before the time before before I took the video. It was 9:11 AM. 9:11, the Twin Towers. There you go, Watchtower. You're going down, Jehovah says, under inspiration again to take this video. You can actually prove them on inspiration. It's by maths. Easy to do. Yeah, but I love these clouds. As I say, that's the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, where I used to attend, and I was wrongly disfellowshipped by 4 corrupt elders. Well, I don't know what, on the 2nd of June 2010 I was disfellowshipped for confessing to adultery. It's a long story, but me and my wife have been separated for 3 years. She wouldn't let me come back home. And I went to the Kingdom Hall just before, on the Saturday, and there was Simon Eshelby and Baz Gilderdale, my wife Samantha, and I confessed. After about an hour, I plucked up the courage of telling them that I committed adultery, and my wife Samantha's sitting on the chair, and she raises her eyes to heaven and goes, "Thank you, Jehovah." Which basically means she wanted out of the marriage anyway. Anyway, that was on Saturday. On the Monday morning, she's down the solicitors, Ringrose Law, seeking a divorce. She didn't even forgive me or anything. I'm putting this on camera, Samantha. And then on the Wednesday, I was called to a judicial committee. Simon Eshelby was the chairman. Then there was David Seven, Baz Gilderdale and Bob Gash. The presiding overseer at the time was Fred Bolton, and he was the one behind my disfellowshipping, no doubt. But anyway, I didn't say a word in the Judicial Committee, which is kind of in fulfilment of Isaiah 53. I think it says something, he didn't open his mouth. Can't remember what it said now, but yeah, anyway, they disfellowshipped me, even though I confessed, and even though it says in the Bible, Simon SUB, that I forget what verse it is, what chapter and verse it is, but it says, Jesus said, if you confess your sins to the Father is righteous enough to forgive you, basically. But these elders didn't. They disfellowshipped me for confessing. They would have never known I'd committed adultery if I hadn't told them. So they take advantage and disfellowship me, the Son of God. Elijah the prophet, and Jehovah, of course, at the same time. Brilliant. Well done, Simon, being on the chairman's committee and the other elders. That's a good one, isn't it? Disfellowship Jehovah. Anyway, I think that's enough now. I'm going to have a cup of tea this morning. So bye for now.